Pack a health kit. Essential tips for travelers. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's episode. Today, we're diving into a very practical and important topic: how to pack a health kit. This is especially useful for travelers or anyone preparing for emergencies. We'll break down what it means to pack a health kit, why it's important, and what items you should consider including. So, let's get started. Packing a health kit might sound straightforward, but there's more to it than meets the eye. This phrase generally means preparing a collection of medical supplies and medications that you might need in case of health issues or emergencies, especially when traveling. It's about being prepared for the unexpected and ensuring you have quick access to basic healthcare items. When traveling, you may find yourself in places where medical supplies are not readily available or where language barriers make it difficult to seek help. A health kit acts as a safety net, providing peace of mind and often essential aid in times of need. It's not just for major emergencies. Even minor ailments can disrupt your travel, and a health kit can be a lifesaver. Now, let's talk about what to include in your health kit. This can vary depending on your destination, the length of your trip, and any personal medical needs. However, some basics are universally useful. 1. First aid supplies. Band-aids, antiseptic wipes, gauze, and tape are a must. 2. Pain and fever relievers, such as ibuprofen or acetaminophen. 3. Allergy medications, especially if you know you have specific allergies. 4. Prescription medications. If you have any ongoing prescriptions, bring enough for your trip. 5. Digestive aids, for issues like diarrhea, constipation, or indigestion. 6. Sun protection. Sunscreen and lip balm with SPF. 7. Insect repellent, particularly important in tropical destinations. While the basics are important, don't forget to customize your kit based on personal needs and the nature of your trip. For instance, if you're going on a hiking trip, you might add blister plasters and a snake bite kit. If you have a chronic condition, like asthma, ensure you have enough of your regular medication. Check expiration dates. Before you travel, ensure that none of the items in your kit have expired. Keep it accessible. Your health kit should be in your carry-on bag if flying. Know the rules. Some countries have strict rules about bringing in certain medications. Always check these before you travel. Pack a list. Include a list of everything in your health kit and their dosages, especially for prescription medications. Packing a health kit is a crucial step in preparing for any trip. It ensures that you are ready to handle minor health issues and provides a sense of security while away from home. Remember, a well-packed health kit is tailored to your specific needs and the nature of your journey. We hope this video helps you prepare your own health kit for your next adventure. Stay safe and healthy, and happy travels!